Welcome to today's video, where we take a closer look at an automotive icon, the 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle. This classic car has a timeless charm, combining quirky design with practical engineering. Let's dive into what makes this Beetle so special, from its distinctive exterior to its functional interior, performance capabilities, and the market. Starting with the exterior, the 1972 Super Beetle maintains the unmistakable, rounded silhouette that the Beetle is known for. However, this model stands apart with its larger, curved windshield, providing better visibility compared to previous models. The front end features a slightly elongated nose to accommodate a new McPherson strut front suspension, improving handling and ride comfort. Chrome bumpers, simple round headlights, and the iconic VW logo complete the classic, vintage aesthetic that still turns heads today. Moving inside, the Super Beetle offers a surprisingly spacious cabin for a compact car. The larger dashboard in the 72 model includes improved instrumentation for better readability. The seats are well padded with a simple yet functional design, and the increased trunk space at the front adds practicality. While the interior materials are basic compared to modern standards, the minimalist approach and charming retro details make the driving experience feel like a step back in time. Under the hood, the 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle is powered by a 1.6-liter, air-cooled, flat-4 engine, producing around 60 horsepower. It might not be a speedster, but it delivers reliable performance with a smooth ride and easy handling, especially with the upgraded front suspension. The engine is rear-mounted, giving it good traction and stability, particularly in challenging conditions. The 4-speed manual transmission enhances the driving engagement, making this car a joy for enthusiasts who appreciate classic mechanical simplicity. When it comes to prices, the market for the 1972 Super Beetle varies depending on condition and originality. A well-maintained model can range from $8,000 to $15,000, while fully restored examples with pristine interiors and exteriors may fetch upwards of $20,000. Factors like paint quality, engine health, and interior condition play a significant role in determining value. The 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle remains a symbol of automotive history, blending timeless design with practical engineering. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or someone seeking a nostalgic driving experience, this Beetle continues to offer charm, reliability, and affordability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car reviews.